Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Fingerstyle Guru. My name is Roberto, and I want to show you the most important thing that you need to know to get started with fingerstyle picking, or finger picking, fingerstyle playing on the guitar. First one is that you need to get good at your right hand position. So if you have a good right hand position, everything will become easier when you're playing fingerstyle guitar. And here's how you can get started with your right hand position. By the way, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think of the video. I recommend to put your thumb on string number 4. Just rest it there. Your index on string number 3. Your middle finger on string number 2. And your ring finger on string number 1, like this. And look at the position that I have. My thumb is out and my other fingers are sort of resting underneath that finger. One of the biggest tendencies that I see with all my students is for students to keep their thumb behind the other fingers. This is not something good we want to do. Here's why. Because when we're finger picking, playing our index and our thumb, or our middle finger and thumb, your thumb is going to clash with your index, and that just makes things so much harder to play. One more thing, my thumb is out, but it's also straight. I'm not bending it like this, I'm not putting it like that. My thumb is straight. I have a long fingernail on my thumb, actually in all my fingers, as you can see. But it's out and it's straight, and the movement is out this way, like this. And the rest of the fingers are going into the palm of my hand. I'll do another video on proper right hand movement. But this is the best position that you can have, and I recommend people starting by resting your every finger, like I told you, thumb on 4th, ring, index on 3, middle on 2, and ring on 1, so you can start playing like this. And I recommend an exercise called planting. Planting is when you play something and you immediately return it to the string that you just played. So I'm going to play string number 4 and string number 3. String number 2 and return it, string number 1 and return it. And this is a great position. Also, if you can't really see it maybe from there, but my wrist is not touching the strings. My wrist, there's some space between my wrist and the strings of the guitar. I'm not doing this. This is something very uncomfortable, actually. So there's some space between them, and my hand is sort of a little bit out, like that. That's a great position right there. Should look natural, should look relaxed, and check out one of my other videos so that you can see how to start actually moving your right hand and getting into this beautiful world of fingerstyle guitar. And I hope you liked this very short video. Please like and subscribe, let me know what you thought, and if you already started playing fingerstyle guitar or classical guitar, let me know in the comments how this position works for you. If you find it comfortable, if you don't find it comfortable, let me know. I'm very interested in knowing your opinions. And yeah, let's come back for the next video. But I'm going to be putting out videos often about how to get good at fingerstyle guitar. This is Fingerstyle Guru. Have an awesome day. Enjoy playing guitar, and I'll see you soon.